Hey everyone, my name is Raza. I am a data science student from IIT Madras. So recently I built a project for myself which is an AI agent which sends me one customized AI generated learning lesson for the topic that I specify in the format that I specify directly to my email at the specified time. So I wanted to learn the AI agents ecosystem from a long time. So while exploring how the AI agents work, I came across this article from Jugal on the Substack in which he has a full proof AI agent workflow which goes to LinkedIn and sources out the jobs according to your specified title and then fits it to your resume and gives you a customized cover letter and the job score according to your resume. So I liked the workflow and I saw the tutorial over here from his Substack itself, and I learned how to set up the workflow myself. So I downloaded the workflow and I copied it and I set it up using his tutorial. Then while doing that, I came across the idea that why not build something of myself. So what I did was I had the idea of something, but I didn't know how the AI agents in N8N works. So I researched a little, I watched the videos, I read the articles on N8N, I read the posts on the social networks like Reddits and everywhere. So my idea was to build an AI agent which takes the topic from me, then takes the specified format which I give it, and then automatically generates a lesson for me for the topic that I gave in the specified format, and then sends it to me via an email. So that was the basic idea through which the AI agent named LessonBot was built. So using AI and other articles and videos, I built this entire workflow. I will explain how it works and we will see the demonstration as well. So my idea was to build an Excel sheet like this. So in this Excel sheet, I will give the topic, I will give the format, and then I will keep the status as pending, and then I will give the schedule date on which the topic has to be generated by AI agent, and I will keep this blank as it will be filled by the AI agent directly. So I prepared three types of lesson format: long lesson format, then medium lesson format, and the short lesson format. Then I created a folder in my drive named generated lesson, and I created this Excel sheet. Now we will see how this workflow works, and I will explain in a brief how the nodes and everything works. So first, the trigger is there, so we can set it to 9 a.m. every morning, so it will execute automatically at 9 a.m. Then it will go to the Excel sheet over here which I have given in this one, and then it will filter the topics which are pending on the given date when the workflow is run. So it will check the pending status and the date on which the schedule is run, then it will filter it out over here. If there are more than one topics, then it will create a loop. One by one it will go through this loop, and after the loop is finished, it will go to the sheet again and it will change the status from pending to done, and the send date will be filled by the AI agent on which the workflow was executed. Now when the filter topics is done, it will create a loop, and one by one the topics will go through this loop. So what it will do is, in this loop, firstly it will take the format from the Google Drive. If the filtered topic had the long lesson format, it will take the long lesson format from here. Then it will tell the AI agent in this one to create the lesson for the topic that is selected and the format which is selected. Then it will use the Google Gemini model, which is the free one. Then it will create the output in markdown format through which the Google Doc will be created. After that, a PDF will be downloaded and an email will be sent. So after it finishes one loop, it will send an email for one topic. If there are more than one topics, it will go through the loop again and it will send individual emails for individual topics. After all the loops are finished, it will go to the update sheet status and it will update the sheet. So we will try executing the workflow for once. So first we will take one topic. For that we will change the status for these two topics to done, so that it doesn't filter out the two topics. We will choose this topic which has the long format, okay, and the date is for today. So it will if I run it today, it will work. So we'll check it in the workflow how it goes, and we will see the output and the email as well. So let me execute the workflow over here. So as you can see, the workflow is already started. It has triggered, it has filtered from 13 items. One item is filtered. We'll see the filtered item. It is the 7th number topic. It took the format. Now it's generating the lesson in Google Gemini model. So it will generate the lesson, then it will go through the entire loop and send an email. It takes some time, like 30-40 seconds for a long lesson, and the short lesson will take lesser time. So what it will do is, after generating the lesson, it will create a Google Doc in my drive, in this folder, in generated lessons folder, and it will create a PDF file which it will attach in the email as well, so that we can download the PDF as well, and we can have the Google Doc in the Google Drive as well. So it has already generated the lesson. Now it is creating a Google Doc. After that, it will send the email, and then as there is only one topic, it will directly go to the update sheet status, and the sheet status will be updated to done. So as you can see, the workflow is executed. We will check how it has done. So as you can see, the lesson has already been generated on 8:53 over here in the Google Docs format. We'll also check the email. So in the email, as you can see, there is a email from the N18. You can see the beautiful email over here, which has the clickable link for opening the Google Doc file, and the PDF as well, along with the email. So as you can see, it has created an 8-page report for the lesson that we required, and it has created a Google Doc as well. Over here also, you can see that the pending status has been changed to done, and the send date has been updated to today. Now we will check the workflow for multiple items, how it does and how it loops over 2 items. So we will change the status to pending, and then we will execute the workflow. As you can see, there are different types of formats in which the lesson we require. So we will execute the workflow for 2 items now. So as you can see, from the 13 items, it has filtered out 2 items, and 1 item is going in the loop now. After that, 1 item is finished. It will go through the loop again for the second item, and then it will update the sheet status. So as you can see, the short lesson format took less time than the long format. It will create fast, and then it will go to the loop again. So as you can see, it went through the loop for the second time over here, and then it will generate the lesson for the second time. After the second loop is finished, it will go through the update sheet status and finish it. So the workflow is finished. Now we'll see the Excel file first. So it has changed the status from pending to done, and it has already updated the send date. Now we'll see the generated lesson folder. It has already generated the 2 files for me. Okay, we will check the email as well. So there are 2 emails for me for the 2 files. So first one is this one, which was the short lesson for 3-page. So the first one was 8-page, and the second short format was 3-page. We'll see this one for the medium format. So it is 7-page, but it has lesser sections. So that's pretty much it for the workflow. So tell me your feedback, if any, and if any suggestions or improvements need to be made, they are welcome in the comment section. And I know this workflow is not like the perfect workflow. There are many things that can be updated, like what the error handling is not been done yet. I know that, but this works perfectly if all the requirements are fulfilled. Like if the Excel sheet doesn't have the topic or the other fields, it will go into an error. So I have to do the error handling and everything, but for the moment, if every detail is filled properly, I know it will work good. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new from my video.